Panasonic is one of the few manufacturers that produces a wide range of products ranging from televisions, cameras, home appliances, air conditioners, and personal and healthcare products. This was highlighted by Panasonic Singapore representative Joanne Ang last night during the launching. CHM and Panasonic have been partners in delivering goods and services to P&G customers for over 30 years. The event marked the partnership with the Expo to be a unique experience for Papua New Guineans.
Tonight, we are here to present to you the Panasonic Expo, the first in Papua New Guinea, showcasing the latest technology.
CHM General Manager Mark Curtis explained what people expect when they visit the new retail outlet, including Panasonic products.
This store is for Papua New Guineans. Basically, what we're trying to do is to create a concept showroom that allows our customers to be able to touch and feel the products, to be able to demonstrate products before they actually make a decision to purchase, and to give them something that is very common in a lot of overseas countries like Australia and Singapore and the United Kingdom.
The 4-day Panasonic Expo started today and will run through to the weekend. Apart from Panasonic, there are products available from other renowned suppliers in the new retail outlet.
We've got a couple of very key brands, Panasonic, which is well known internationally, Sony of course, and a new brand called Beko, which is actually a white goods manufacturer, which is actually Europe's #1 brand, which we've managed to secure and bring to Papua New Guinea.
Dennis Orere, National MTV News.